Hello everyone, it's great to see you all today. Charlene here with another video. This video today is going to be an eye look, and it's going to be featuring a new palette that I got. And it's called the Ucanbe Fruit Pie Palette. It's one of my favorite palettes, and it's one of the 3 palettes that I love best for highly pigmented, affordable, colorful eyeshadows. These 3 palettes are my favorite. They are the Fruit Pie Filling, which is the one I'm going to be using today. That's from Ucanbe. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the price in the description box. This is the palette we'll be using today. And the next palette that I absolutely love for an affordable, highly pigmented, very colorful palette is the Ucanbe Spotlight palette. I just got these and I just love them. This is the palette here. It's extremely colorful, highly pigmented eyeshadows. That's another recommendation if you're looking for an affordable, highly pigmented, and very colorful eyeshadow palette. And then the last one is right here. These are my 3 favorites. The Bright Lights palette from Pinky Rose. This is a wonderful, colorful, highly pigmented, and very affordable palette. But I will get you the exact prices. They're not more than $10 or $15 each palette. I'm fairly sure of that. But that is a beautiful color palette. So those are my 3 favorites. The Bright Lights palette from Pinky Rose, the Spotlight palette from Ucanbe, and the Fruit Pie Filling from Ucanbe. That's the one we'll be featuring today, but we may even take some from the other palettes. We're going to do a very coppery look today. I was thinking about doing a springy, but these copper colors I really want to try out, so that's what we'll be doing today. It's sort of a fallish look, but it's today what's on my face is the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40. Then I have my It Cosmetics CC Cream in the color Medium, one of my favorite foundations. Then I have, for eyeshadow primer, the Eyeshadow Primer Potion from Urban Decay. Eyeshadow Primer Potion from Urban Decay. Then I have, for my concealer, it's a drugstore Physicians Formula Insta Ready Concealer in the color Light. It's a dupe for the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. These are exactly the same. This Insta Ready by Physicians Formula is the same thing as the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye, but I believe this has an SPF of 30. And it's better because of that reason. Has an SPF of 30. So that's very good. For the powder is the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. The Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder in Translucent. Really like that. That's a great powder. My bronzer, Anastasia Powder Bronzer in Tawny. That's a beautiful, a reddish bronzer. That's great for the summertime. It's just a lovely bronzer or contour, whatever you like, in the color Tawny. And for my lip liner, Laura Mercier in the color Red Chocolate. I just have the lip liner on today. It's a beautiful color. I got most of this high-end makeup at TJ Maxx. On my brows are the NYX Micro Skinny Eyebrow Pencil in the color Ash Brown, and then my Anastasia Brow Gel. It's a tinted brow gel in the color Granite. And my blush is the Laura Geller Soft Matte Baked Blush in Plush Peony. Soft Matte Baked Blush in Plush Peony. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely peachy coral color that really looks good on everyone. Let's begin the eye look. I'm going to take this color called Filbert. This color called Filbert right here. On the end of the eye. Whoa, these are really, and in the center, these are really pigmented. I'm sorry. I'm taking the color Filbert and I'm putting it on the end of the eye and in the corner. I apologize. I don't know why I said center. In the corner. I'm leaving the center free of eyeshadow. Okay, so that's good. Okay, now I'm going to clean that brush off. And with the same brush, I'm going to take this beautiful copper color right here. It's called Longin. Longin. It's really hard to pronounce, but let's put that right in the middle. Let's see if I can get that on my brush. Okay, let's see. This comes with a nice big mirror, which is so helpful. Okay. Okay, that's nice. I'm going to brighten it up with the color next to it called Sunshine. This is Sunshine. It's a kind of a glittery sunshine right here. Okay. That brightens it up a bit. You know what? I'm going to take my finger because I need like a more concentrate. Oh, yeah. With the finger, okay. This is the color I'm using right now. It's very nice color, but it needs to be applied with your finger. Okay, and I'm going to mix it with the other color as well, Longin. No, yes, Longin. That's it right there. Okay. And then I'm going to take a blending brush like this, and I'm going to put a little bit of a darker color in the crease, which we'll try Choco Chips. I think that's pretty good. Choco Chips right here. We'll give that a try. Just as a little deeper color for the crease. It's kind of like a bronzer color. These eyeshadows are extremely pigmented. My goodness, this is really intense. This is very pigmented eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to take the same brush I used for the first color, Filbert, and put some under my eye. Whoa, that's really pigmented. And I'm going to blend it out with a blending brush. If I can find one. This one's pretty good. It's not really quite blending, but just anything that will diffuse the color. Oh, these eyeshadows are very pigmented, so they have some fallout. Just blending. So what I'm going to do is just take a powder brush and just remove the fallout. Okay, so that eye is done. It's kind of a bronzy look to the eye. And I'm going to do a brow bone highlight, but let's do the other eye as well. The same thing. We're going to take Filbert on the end of the eye, and then in the corner. Okay, very good. And now we'll try with our finger to take Logan, because I think it deposits better with the finger. Yep, much easier and faster. The center is Logan. And then we'll put a little of the Sunshine, the golden color. Okay, and we need some more of the Filbert on the end. Deepen it up, that's good. And in the corner as well. Let's make sure the other eye is freshened. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to take some of the cocoa chips and do the same thing. Just kind of diffuse the color right there. Okay, and on the bottom, just the Filbert right there. I'm going to do a brow bone highlight, but I think I'm going to have to go with the other palette because I need something that doesn't have glitter in it. And here's a lovely color in the Ucanbe palette. This color right here does not have any glitter in it, and it's a good highlight color. So that's what I'm going to do, you know, on the brow bone. Okay, that's good. And in the inner corner. Okay, and now we're going to curl the eyelashes. Okay. I'm using a Kevin Aqua eyelash curler. Okay, so that's great. The mascara we'll be using is the L'Oreal Voluminous in the color black. I'm going to put on my eyeliner after mascara. I might need a closer mirror because this is kind of far away and it could be kind of dangerous to do my eye. Yeah, I'm just going to get this mirror to help me out. Not sure, but I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeliner in the color Coffee. It's a liquid pen eyeliner, and it's one of my favorites. It's $2.99 at the drugstore. It can't be beat. It stays on all day, and it's highly pigmented. It lasts forever. It's a real hidden gem. Comes in two colors, coffee and black. Okay, so that's on. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to use a little bit, I'm just going to take a blending brush, a tiny one, and use a little bit of that choco chip color that we used over here just to connect the bottom to the top. Okay, just to connect the bottom. And that worked wonderfully. Okay, let's look back and see if we need anything. Let's assess. Whoa, this is a potent. Let's look and see if we need anything. A little bit more blush maybe. Just a little bit, whatever's on the brush. Okay, a little bit of blending with some powder on just a generic blending brush. Okay, and I think we're done with the look today. So this is the look featuring the Ucanbe Fruit Pie Filling palette, one of my favorite colorful, affordable palettes from Amazon. It has some gorgeous colors, and it's highly pigmented eyeshadows. Okay, and you can do so much with this palette. So I highly recommend it. I highly recommend the Spotlight palette. I'll do a look with that for you as well. And also the Bright Lights by Pinky Rose. Wonderful palettes, and I will give the prices for those in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial of a bronzy look today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.